Marble showers, while luxurious, face unique challenges in wet environments. Soap scum, hard water stains, and mildew are common culprits that can dull your marble's shine. Improper cleaning can lead to irreversible damage, leaving your shower looking worn and tired. Professional restoration revives the natural shine of your marble, removing etching, soap scum, and mineral buildup. Our experts seal the stone, offering future protection and ensuring your marble remains pristine and beautiful for years to come. We start with a deep clean using pH-neutral, stone-safe products. This removes dirt without harming your marble. Next, we tackle etching and stains, restoring a uniform shine. Finally, we clean and seal grout to prevent future stains. Our meticulous process ensures every inch of your marble shower is rejuvenated. From the walls to the grout lines, we leave no stone unturned, bringing back the elegance and sophistication you originally fell in love with. Choose between a high gloss or honed matte finish to suit your style. Our polishing techniques restore your marble's original beauty, extending its life and enhancing its natural allure. Experience the transformation of your shower's appearance. Advanced sealing treatments create an invisible barrier against water, soap, and oil. This protection ensures long-lasting beauty and durability, safeguarding your marble from everyday wear and tear. Enjoy peace of mind with our expert sealing services. Daily care is simple. Wipe down walls and use a squeegee to remove excess water. Weekly, clean with marble-safe products. Avoid acidic cleaners and abrasive scrubbers to keep your marble looking its best between professional visits. Recap: we've explored the hidden dangers in marble showers and the transformative power of professional restoration. By choosing JK Marble Maintenance, you're investing in the longevity and beauty of your marble surfaces.